Hi, in this video I will show you how to upload TikTok stories like Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. TikTok also give the option of the TikTok stories. Now you can upload your TikTok stories on your profile for the 24 hours. So after the 24 hour, that stories will be disappear from your TikTok. So how you can do it? Simply let's start the procedure. So first of all, this is the new feature. So you have to update your TikTok application first, and right now my TikTok application is up to date, so I won't find a TikTok update here, but you have to update your TikTok application first if you don't have the recent version of the TikTok. So once you will do it, now there is the multiple ways to find the TikTok stories on the TikTok. So open your TikTok application and you have to click on your profile from the right bottom, and here just with the profile picture you will see a plus sign here. So you have to tap on the plus sign to add your stories on the TikTok. Also you have to go to the home screen to find the story. You have to swipe to the left like this. You have to swipe your fingers toward here, and here you will see a new menu in which you will see a stories of the creator. Also you will see a camera to upload your stories on the TikTok. So if you want to upload your stories on the TikTok, you can simply follow this procedure. So this feature is not available right now for all the countries. Also this feature is not available in my country, so that's why it's not showing me here. But if your country is sport this feature on the TikTok, you will easily find it like this I have told you. So hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.